Big breaking news coming in. The second in command of the 7th Battalion of the CRPF has been killed in an encounter with Maoists that began at 5 a.m. in the Giridih district of Jharkhand. It happened this morning. He apparently took a bullet to the head. The encounter is over. A search operation is currently still on. That's the information we're getting from our correspondent Jugal Purohit, who's breaking this news here. H.K. Jha, the second in command of the 7th Battalion of the CRPF deployed for anti-Maoist operations, has been killed. Jugal, give us the details.
Shiv, as we understand, there was an input of a senior Maoist leader, Sidhu Koda, who belongs to the Jharkhand area, being present in this village of Lakheri. And after that, late last night, this operation was launched with a massive troop strength. 3 to 4 battalions of CRPF and the police were all involved. They went there last night in the area and they surrounded the village. At around 4:30 is when the forces actually started, searching house to house, which is when this particular second in command, Hira Kumar Jha of the 7th Battalion of CRPF, he was shot on his head as he commenced on his operation, and he, of course, could not be given medical treatment because the helicopter that was positioned could not take off from Ranchi owing to heavy rainfall. And after that, there was firing. Now we understand the search operation has been extended to nab this particular leader. But Shiv, what is also important is that while taking casualties in this operation, there have also been some very significant arrests, including one of the wife of this very senior Maoist leader. There's been some recovery of arms and ammunition also. And as I said, this operation is now being extended to the Bihar-Jharkhand border because the leader who was fled, Sidhu Koda, who I was explaining to be a senior Maoist leader, has to be nabbed at all costs. And that's the reason why, even despite this killing taking place of the CRPF, the scope and the entire area of operation has been enhanced, and it is going on as we speak, Shiv.
It's an operation that's still ongoing. Thanks for joining us with that breaking piece of information. It's a story we're going to track. Jugal's in touch with his sources. He'll be getting us much more information in the next 30 minutes. We'll take another live report from Jugal in that time. We'll also try and get you some images of the encounter site and what's going on right now. Disturbing news. Second in command of the CRPF 7th Battalion, H.K. Jha, has been killed. He took a bullet to the head and that operation is still on.